How to change font size in Yahoo Mail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail on your device. Then click on three dots at the bottom left corner of your screen, which will open this kind of pages. Simply click on Settings in here. After that, your settings will pop up. In Settings, make sure you've clicked on Writing Email, which is at the left side. In Writing Email, scroll down to the bottom. In the bottom, you will find Medium option, which is default rich text font. In here, you can choose what type of font you want, as you will find all these different. You can simply click on extra large and text will be extra large. As you can see on the right side, it's showing how it is gonna look. And this is how to change font size in Yahoo Mail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.